Artificial intelligence is changing the world faster than ever. Millions of jobs are evolving, some are disappearing. But here's the real question. Which careers will remain high-paying and safe even in 2026 and beyond? Today, we reveal 5 future-proof careers that AI cannot truly replace. Career number 1. AI Strategy and Ethics Consultant. AI can process data, but it cannot decide what should or should not be done. Governments and companies need humans to guide AI responsibly. AI strategy and ethics consultants design policies, ensure fairness, and protect society. This role blends technology, law, psychology, and human judgment, something AI lacks. Why high-paying? Scarce skill plus global demand. Why safe? Requires human values and decision-making. Career number 2. Advanced Healthcare Specialists. AI assists doctors, but it cannot replace human trust, empathy, and real-time decisions. Surgeons, neurologists, mental health professionals, and emergency specialists rely on hands-on expertise. In critical moments, people still trust humans, not machines. Why high-paying? Lives depend on it. Why safe? Emotional intelligence plus physical skill. Career number 3.
The data is
Legal
irrefutable.
experts and
As you can see from the
negotiation
holographic
specialists.
projection, the structural
AI
integrity
can
analysis
analyze laws,
confirms our
but
assessment.
justice is not just data. Lawyers, judges, and negotiators interpret emotions, intentions, and ethical
The data
boundaries.
is irrefutable.
Courtrooms,
As you can see from the holographic
contracts, and
projection, the
negotiations
structural
need
integrity
human
analysis
reasoning.
confirms our
Why
assessment.
high-paying? Risk-heavy decisions. Why safe? Complex judgment and responsibility. Career number 4. Creative directors and brand storytellers. AI can generate content, but it cannot create culture. Creative directors shape brand identity, emotional storytelling, and original ideas. Humans connect with humans, not algorithms. Why high-paying? Brand value equals money. Why safe? Original thinking and emotional impact. Career number 5. AI-enhanced entrepreneurs and visionary leaders. AI doesn't build companies, people do. Entrepreneurs who use AI as a tool will dominate future markets. Leadership, risk-taking, and vision are deeply human traits. Why high-paying? Ownership beats salary. Why safe? Vision plus decision-making. The future isn't about humans versus AI. It's about humans who know how to work with AI. These